Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your Trust wallet to your Coinbase. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, first step is to get our Coinbase address, so we can send it from our Trust wallet directly to there. To get our address, simply exit the Trust wallet application, and then from here you're going to search for your Coinbase wallet. And then once you enter right here, you're going to click on the arrows in the middle. And as you can see, you can add crypto either by buying it, or you can simply click on receive. Once you click on receive, as you can see, there are many options, including the addresses that we want to copy. Now, since we're going to send something like USDT, so we're going to use Ethereum. But if we're going to use something like Bitcoin, then we can use the Bitcoin address. And for any meme coins, we're going to send through the Solana address. So USDT is under Ethereum, copy that. Then go back to our Trust wallet, make sure to log in. And then from here, we're going to simply click on the send button, which is going to be on the top left. And then from here, you can select whatever currency, so USDT is the one. And then you're going to enter the address by pasting it into this box. And then from here, you're going to select however much amount, so for example 50. And then from here, you're going to click on next. And now while it's loading, it's going to show us the main screen, which is going to summarize for us the transaction. And then from here, click on continue, and then click on the authentication method. And then from here, it's going to click on processing, and you can see the transaction details. And from here, it's going to show you if it's pending or not, and you can see all the details from here. Now, once that is done, you're going to switch back to your Coinbase to check on how it's doing. And from here, once you go to your main account, refresh. And just like that, as you can see, we have just received our USD. And from here, you can see all the transaction details once you go to the section right here for the receipts. And you can see that we have just received it today. And that's all the details that we need about it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.